bagay. Look at me, I'm so inspired. Look at my dress. It's so hot. Where do you think we should go? Of course, somewhere cool. Somewhere cool? May puting bato! Puting bato? Puting bato? Gold, water, and many stones! So, come on, let's go! Let's go to puting bato! Welcome to Isa Puting Bato!
You're right, Owen. The water is really clear and clean. You look at this stone. They're all white.
Tikman mo nga.
First love, if you ask the crowd, come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check the images, Philippines, no one other. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, see pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo